Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I will guide you on how to fix the Claude password reset not working issue. So if you're trying to reset your Claude account password but it's not working properly, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. If the connection seems slow or unstable, try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or from cellular data back to Wi-Fi. Then try the password reset process again. Next, you need to make sure you enter the correct email address linked to your Claude account. If the email is incorrect, the password reset process may fail. After that, completely close the Claude app and reopen it. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and remove the app from recent apps. Then open Claude and try resetting your password again. The next step is to try and reinstall the Claude app. For that, you need to press and hold the Claude app icon. Then press on remove app. Then tap the delete app icon. Then go to the App Store or Play Store and reinstall the Claude app again. Next, you'll have to restart your iPhone. Once your phone turns back on, try resetting the password again. If the issue still continues, try resetting your password through a browser. Lastly, the issue could be from Claude's server. If the servers are down or under maintenance, the password reset feature may not work properly. So yeah, those are some easy ways to fix the Claude password reset not working issue. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.